Welcome to the 6th episode of ECTV Tries, where we undergo a new adventure every week. I'm Gavin McCabe.
And I'm Andrea Pederson, and we are your triers for the week. We have not been told what we are doing today, but we have been given a hint. The information we were told about this challenge is you're not afraid of heights and you want to protect your items at all costs.
So I have no idea what that means.
I don't know, that's a little weird. They told me that it would be a tame challenge because I'm very nervous.
Okay.
But being afraid of heights and having to do something that involves heights doesn't seem very tame to me.
I wonder if they're gonna involve, there's a ladder over there that they use. Are we gonna have to climb on top of things? Are we
skydiving?
Skydiving that's on the table.
Yeah.
That's on the table.
Right.
And don't be afraid to lose your stuff.
Yeah.
What? What does that mean?
Taking care of your items. This is my item.
This is my item.
No.
I don't know.
have any items. So we'll see. All right. Should we figure it out? Should we open it? Do you want to do it?
We should open it at the same time.
Oh, okay.
All right. 3, 2.
Using the materials provided, create a holder for an egg to be dropped from a high height.
What materials?
An egg drop.
An egg drop? I did this in middle school.
I've never done an egg drop.
What? You've never done an egg drop?
No.
Come on.
So I don't know how I'm gonna do.
Well, in my high school, we had like egg Olympics, where you made a contraption for your egg, and it had to pass like 5 tests.
Wow.
I failed. I was really bad at it.
Well, so. I watched that episode of Abbott Elementary, so maybe I'll recall some things, some useful info.
Okay.
All right.
Where's
we'll be right back. We just have to get set up for our task. All right, so we're back. We have our materials in front of us to create our egg holder. So we both have gloves, tape, scissors, glow putty, and then we're sharing straws, pipe cleaners, sponges, craft sticks, and rubber bands. All right,
yes.
Should we get started?
And we have tape.
We have tape. All right, here we go.
These just like magically appeared in front of us. It was kind of crazy.
All right, I don't know how to do this, but I feel like I need a barrier around a barrier.
For your skin?
For the egg.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the gloves.
Oh, you're putting on the gloves to do it?
Yeah.
All right,
guys, let's get started.
I'm gonna pick a nice egg, a nice, good one. Looks very strong, sturdy, can survive the drop. Interesting choice.
What do you mean interesting choice?
I just like that's not
this
the one I would
one called
pick,
to me.
But that's okay.
It was the only one that was upside down. Actually, this one's upside down too. We know.
This one.
You can hear it.
Does it sound like a good one?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not sure what we're supposed to do with this, but I want to open it so bad.
I know. Yeah, I've been doing a little cheating.
You cheated?
I opened stuff. Well, I opened stuff for both of us, like the pipe cleaners and the straws.
Okay. What is this?
Okay, so I think I'm just gonna create the biggest barrier I can, and then put the egg in the glove with the barrier on it.
You're just giving me ammunition to use in this fight. You're just telling me what to do here, at this point. I'm not gonna reveal to you what my secrets are.
You're not gonna tell me your strategy?
That's
boring.
Okay, well I was also thinking of making a barrier. Make sure not to break your egg.
There's 12 eggs here, you know what I mean? Like,
you only get one.
It's not in the rules, so.
I'm not sure if I heard the same rules that you did.
I'm not gonna break the egg.
Okay. Oh, can we use as many of these as we want, I think?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a drop test?
Yeah, I wonder how high up we're gonna go.
That like factors into how I build it, how much I drop it. So I need to know. Okay. There we go.
Oh, okay. We're doing off of that step ladder. The one over there.
Can't see anything.
A little test. A little pre-test.
Pre-test? Where did you put it?
I'm not telling you my strategy.
Wait. Well, I didn't know that was allowed.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, the ideas are really flowing now.
I don't need to hear that. I need to hear...
What's your strategy?
I need to hear your ideas.
I don't really like these. These are making me feel icky.
Yeah, they're kind of weird.
They remind me of sponges. I really hate sponges.
They are sponges.
How many do you, are you okay if I take 4?
Yeah.
Okay, just checking.
All right, I'm done. Just kidding. I'm not done.
You did that better than I did.
Oh, don't touch my craft, please. Don't. Oh. I think this is grounds for disqualification. The producers are shaking their head now. Never mind.
They're on my side. Want me to win?
Oh, I don't think so.
My corner.
Oh. See that?
Look at this. It looks pretty good, right? I feel like it could survive, yeah?
I don't think that was the smartest idea that you could have done that.
Right. Well, I'm not done yet, so.
Watch this.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Cool.
I guess you could say I'm a genius.
Cool.
This is not gonna work. What? How are you there already? All I have is this.
I mean, there's not like steps. Just.
True, we gotta have as much cushioning as possible. I think that's what I'm going here in my frame of mind.
So you did an egg drop in high school?
Yeah, we had.
What did you do?
We had
for
popsicle
that
sticks and glue.
Oh, that's it?
I think so.
Ooh, I don't know how I do it with just popsicle sticks and glue.
And we had to make a car for it as well, and the car rolled down a ramp and hit something at the end, and it was like a car crash detect.
So it wasn't really an egg drop, was it?
There was 2 things. There was an egg drop and there was a car thing. There was
cool.
a car crash.
Understood. So your egg had to survive both of those events?
Yeah. What the hell? Okay. I'm gonna try to go for a different approach than you. I'm definitely using these straws as much as possible.
Nice.
But I'm not sure how. Oh, I got an idea. Hold on. What's the process?
I feel like both of our eggs are gonna survive.
Nope. Only mine will. Just kidding. Probably yours will, and then mine will die. I don't think this is a very good idea.
I'm feeling pretty confident about what I got going on. The pipe cleaners aren't really gonna do anything, are they?
No. They look nice though.
A little decoration. I think anything extra around it will be helpful.
Yeah. All right, hold on. Plans are in motion that I cannot reveal to you right now. Did you use their tape?
Nope, I did not use tape yet. I might.
Probably not necessary, to be honest.
I'm gonna break out the.
Already broke them out.
I'm already breaking out. Oh, you did. I didn't even notice. Too focused on my own project over
Let's
here.
see.
I'm breaking out the craft sticks.
This is pretty droppable, huh?
Do a little test.
All right, just did.
Maybe it's already broken in
It's
there.
broken now.
We'll never know if it's already broken or not. Could be.
Are you gonna use these?
Nah. Am I gonna use what? Straws?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Okay. Does it matter which side we drop it on, or are you gonna drop it on your own side? Like, I'm dropping it. Sounds good.
Are we dropping it at the same time?
That would be fun.
Oh, right. Well, I guess you can't do that.
Look at this.
Ooh, that looks smart. Are these just gonna make it more so that like the hard surface, it'll break on this hard surface, or is this like good protection?
It's protection.
What's your opinion on that?
It's protection.
Some giggles around the room are telling me
There's
otherwise.
no giggles. No giggles. No giggles. Sorry.
Oh no.
Nope. This is working just as planned.
I feel like I need to make sure it drops from the sky.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't like these. I don't like the texture of that.
What?
I'm looking for rubber bands.
I'm also looking for rubber bands.
I used 2. We had 6.
I'm not sure where the rubber bands went. Oh, wait.
Oh. Thank you.
Oh. I have another rubber band. No.
Well, there should be more somewhere because
I used 2.
I used 3. Oh. Okay. Well, I'm almost done. So.
Okay. I'm almost done as well. Hold on. I'm just gonna do some
Make sure my
cleanup.
egg's still alive.
I'm just gonna do some cleanup. How are you making sure?
Give it a little touch.
You should.
Yeah, it's good. Nice and cold.
Okay. Now for the final touch.
Well, I think I'm just gonna shove stuff now.
Yeah.
I think the straws are a good cushion, and I think that's a really good strategy that you have going on with that.
It's
that
like
egg's,
air.
Like that egg's gonna survive. You know what I mean?
It's like air.
It's just like
How do I
air. What?
I'm not sure how to put this in. Can I use your tape?
I don't know if I'm gonna use it yet, so I don't know.
You have like 1 minute to figure out.
Okay, well, I'll figure it out in a minute.
I don't think you will. No. No, okay, use it.
So, all right, I'm about done. You're about done. Oh, she's in there.
Nice and good. All right, I think I'm gonna, no.
I'm done.
All right, I'm good.
Are you done for sure?
Yeah.
Hands up. Okay, I think it's about time that we test these out.
I don't know if I'm ready. All right, well, we've got our egg holders and we're ready to do the dropping.
All right, I'll go first.
Okay, good luck. Not.
All right, from the line. That was not a good noise.
It sounded like a crack to
Oh
me.
no.
Uh-oh.
All right, so now do I check it?
How do you check it?
Okay.
I'm gonna go now.
That was not a good noise.
Here we go,
Little
guys.
crunchy, little cracky.
From here?
From the wire. Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Noah.
Okay, here we go.
Ew, I don't want to reach in and it to be like. Okay. I don't want to touch it if it's gross though. Ooh. I think mine's alive. Move back. I'm feeling a solid. Oh, sorry. I'm feeling a.
Wait.
I'm
Sorry.
feeling a solid egg in here.
Survive.
It's a live egg. A live egg.
I'm gonna have to undo my whole thing. But then we have to drop it again.
There we go. I'll put mine back. Exciting stuff.
All right, time to look at my egg.
I'm so excited.
Once I can.
Do you feel, is it gooey in there?
No, it's not gooey.
Ooh, looks like a live egg.
That doesn't feel broken. Do I have to look at it?
Check. Yeah, that's exciting.
That's a real good egg, guys.
There's some good eggs over here.
We got some good eggs.
Good eggs.
Thanks for watching the 6th episode of ECTV Tries. Keep an eye out for next week's episode. I'm Gavin McCabe.
And I'm Andrea Pederson, and you're watching ECTV Tries. Thanks for joining us, and have a great week.
Go ahead, Andrea, do it. Yeah, I think it's day.
Alright, ready?
Yep. Come on, Gavin, drop it. Oh, it
flipped. It flipped.
Shall we take a look now at your own eggs?
Uh-oh.
I don't know. Oh, I don't know about this time.
I feel like we had less time.
Was it them?
Yeah!
Look!